na pang matagalan, pang malayuan guys. Parang yung train from Bicol to Manila. Okay, let's go guys. Hindi po pinat. So ito ang hitsura ng train Southwestern Railways. Yes. So pupunta lang kami sa platform 9 para kumuha ng aming ticket. Guys, ipapasyal ko kayo sa isang magandang lugar dito sa UK. So let's go, let's go. Napakalaki ng istasyon na to guys. Railways information. Rail information. Tapos maraming cafe. Now, may pharmacy. Mamaya punta ako dyan. Tingnan muna natin kung ano yung oras ng alis natin. Yes. Kasi may oras lang ang alis guys. Kasi parang ano to pang malayo ang train. Yes. So dito, pero saan tayo kukuha ng ticket? Yeah. Tanong muna kami kung paano kumuha ng ticket. Ayun Let's go. Ito guys, tutulungan nila kaming kumuha ng ticket.
Oh, okay, just one, yeah?
Yes.
And you're coming back here, yeah?
Getting our ticket to countryside.
That's how much it'll be returned for one person. Have you got a rail card or anything?
No.
You haven't got a rail card yet, then yeah. That's how
What
much.
kind of rail card?
If you got, it depends. What do you have?
No, we only have Oyster card.
No, yeah.
No.
Rail card is like 16 to 25. Network rail cards, senior rail cards.
Yeah. Why is it too expensive?
365.
I check online. It's not.
Because let me go back. I'll do it again. So, Portsmouth. Yeah.
Yeah.
Return.
Yes.
3 bridges and any permitted. 3 bridges. You meant to go for London Victoria. It's a slower train. So this will be invalid. Even if you buy this one, it'd be invalid. You won't be able to enter because it's from London Victoria side. It's not here. However, this one, any permitted, you can use it here. It's a faster train.
And then any
that's the
day
reason why.
return.
Yeah.
Any time.
Anytime, yeah, within the day. From I think it's from 4 something to 4 the next day or something.
I see, okay.
Something like that.
Alright, so it's like 24 hours.
Kinda, yeah.
Kinda.
No, I don't know if I don't know when the last train is.
Okay.
But yeah, basically from the first train to the last train.
Yeah, okay. So how long does it take from here to
To Portsmouth.
Portsmouth?
Probably like 2 hours. Let me just double check. Yeah, £52.90. So let me.
If we get 2, is it the same?
Yeah, it's going to be the same price for you and.
Alright, okay.
Okay, so you should get there. So you should get there. So the next train is in 4 minutes.
Okay, and then the following.
And then after that, it's 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock. What time is it now? It's okay. We can get the 11 o'clock.
But then that one's a slower train though. It's slightly slower.
Yeah.
Because the one in platform 9 is 9 stops, whereas this one is 15.
Okay, we'll get this one then.
So you better buy it. Yeah.
Continuation to guys. Kanina kumuha ako ng ticket, diba? Ang pangalan ng train nito is Southwestern Railway. Papunta kami sa countryside na hindi ko akalain sobrang mahal ng ticket. Kung alam ko lang hindi ako sumama sa'yo. Sobrang mahal guys.
Mali.
Mali. So, pero mamaya guys, I'm sure mag-enjoy kami kasi malapit sa dagat to eh. Diba? Guys, so pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng train. Ayan.
Yung ano bag mo ilagay mo dito?
Train. Ito makikita nila sa labas. Tapos, ito, wala masyadong pasahero. Look at the buildings outside. Yes. Chill. Talaga guys, napasubo talaga ako. Sobrang mahal ng ticket.
Sobrang mahal. Grabe. Buti na lang.
Ito talaga si Inday pasubo. Inday subo.
Buti may
Pero
extra.
ang ganda ng mga buildings. Oh.
Ang taas ano?
Yeah. So ayun guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Okay? Salamat.
Thank you.
At wag niyo namang i-skip kapag nanonood kayo. Mag-like naman kayo, mag-comment, tapos mag-subscribe na rin kayo guys. Thank you so much. I love that buildings.
Yeah, very nice. Good morning. Happy